Imagine sipping your cappuccino in a cafe in Milan, glancing at your phone, and seeing €1 million flashing in your bank account. And guess what? You didn't write a single line of code. Sounds like a daydream? Well, stay with me, because by the time we finish this video, you'll know exactly 5 smart, no-code ways to use artificial intelligence that could move you toward that kind of result. No geeky programming required. Just a few smart moves, real-world hustle, and the AI wave under your feet. Let's dive in. Hi everyone, welcome back to Finance with Sonia. If you're here, you're probably like Sophie in Berlin, juggling a part-time job in a co-working space and wondering how to break out of the paycheck, rent, and cafe latte loop. Or maybe you're like Luca in Milan, great at what you do, but feeling stuck. You want more than just stability. You want freedom, impact, and money that works for you, not the other way around. That was me once. I remember the nights in my flat in Lisbon, staring at spreadsheets, thinking, there's got to be a smarter way. And then, the AI door opened. Not the science fiction robot door, the practical, no-code, right-now door. And it led to real opportunities. So today, I want to show you 5 distinct ways to use AI without code that can realistically lead you toward earning €1 million. Yes, it's bold. But bold starts with belief, and belief backed by action. Let's go. Way 1. Build a personalized GPT ecosystem for consulting business owners. Picture Alex in London. He's been consulting small businesses, cafes, design studios, e-commerce startups, and they all keep saying the same thing. We know AI is coming, but we're confused. We don't know where to start. That's your opening. You build for them a personalized GPT ecosystem, a tailored AI assistant that understands their business, answers questions, guides decisions, generates ideas, and even drafts emails, all wrapped up in your consulting package. Here's how the story goes. Step 1. You interview the business owner. What keeps them up at night? Step 2. You feed those insights into a GPT framework, think of it as their personal AI assistant. Step 3. You train it, no code required, using simple tools that allow custom GPTs or equivalents. Step 4. You charge a premium, because you're not just selling a tool, you're selling clarity, direction, and relief. The beauty. You create something once, duplicate it across clients, and your AI works while you sleep. Everyone talks about AI, but few know how to use it. You become the guide. And you're not coding, you're orchestrating. Alright, if you like the idea of advisor meets AI, hold on tight, because next we turn to the content machine. Way 2. AI for content multiplying. Turn long form into 100 clips. You know Sophie in Berlin? She's got a podcast, 30 minutes long, great insights, but the social traction is minimal. What if she could turn each episode into 50 or even 100 clips? 30-second Instagram Reels, 60-second LinkedIn videos, TikTok slides, Twitter threads, even short email snippets. That's exactly what this method is about. Here's the playbook. Record one long-form piece, a vlog, a podcast, an interview. Use AI tools to automatically chop and repurpose every segment, generate catchy titles, adapt the tone, even produce multilingual versions for Europe-wide reach, German, French, Spanish, you name it. Then, schedule everything across platforms. It's not just more content, it's smart content everywhere. From one long video to an everywhere presence. This method creates a machine. Your voice, your ideas, your energy multiplied across formats, platforms, and audiences. You're leveraging what you already have. Zero code, pure automation. AI does the formatting, adapting, and multiplying. You get visibility, authority, and leads mean money. Now that your voice is everywhere, what about your online storefront? That leads us to method 3. Way 3. Launch an AI website studio. Rapidly build sites for clients. Meet Luca in Milan again. His cousin runs a boutique fashion label and needs a sleek website, fast, affordable, and high quality. You step in with your AI website studio. Here's how it works. You use modern no-code AI website builders that let you go from concept to live site in hours. You create templates, cafes, e-commerce, consultants, fitness brands, each powered by AI to generate visuals, copy, and layout. You sell the site, tweak it for each client, and scale. No coding. You're the curator of AI. I remember helping a friend launch a site from scratch in just 4 hours, from Hello World to Hello, Order Now. He paid me €2,500. That's when I realized, why spend weeks tinkering on WordPress when I could build 3 of these a week? Clients need sites. Time is money. You bring speed, quality, and no headaches, that's premium. So far we've done consulting, content, and websites. But what about packaging your expertise on a larger scale? That's method 4. Way 4, create and sell an AI workshop builder, automated training programs. Picture Sophie again. She runs workshops on mindfulness for professionals. She wants to scale beyond Berlin. What if you created an AI-powered workshop builder for her, a product she can sell worldwide? Here's your move. Design a framework, modules, videos, quizzes, templates. Integrate AI to personalize each user's experience. The AI asks questions, adapts lessons, generates customized workbook sections. Package it as a builder. She can brand it, you can white label it, and then replicate it for other niches, health coaches in Madrid, productivity experts in Paris. You're selling the builder, not just the service. You're creating a product. Building one-to-many products makes money even while you sleep. AI gives you scale, personalization, and automation. Okay, one more method, and this one is stealthy. A hidden network, under the radar, but high impact. Way 5, use a hidden network finder tool. Discover partnerships and deals. Here's where Alex in London comes back into play. He's got contacts, hundreds of people he's met over the years, but he doesn't know who wants what. Enter your AI-powered hidden network finder. Here's how you use it. You gather your contact data, LinkedIn, business cards, email lists, and clean it up using simple tools. Then you let AI analyze the patterns, who's connected to whom, who's looking for partnerships, who's ready to buy, who's dormant. Suddenly you find gold. Hey, Maria in Barcelona wants a website redesign, and you know someone who offers that. Let's connect them. You monetize it, you either sell the leads or take a cut of the deals. You're turning your network and AI into a deal flow machine. Partnerships, referrals, hidden opportunities, that's where the biggest returns come from. AI just shines a light into the dark corners of your contact list. And that, my friend, is your 5-way map. Let's recap quickly. Number 1. Build a personalized GPT ecosystem for business owners. Number 2. Use AI to multiply your content across platforms. Number 3. Launch an AI website studio to create rapid websites. Number 4. Create and sell an AI workshop builder to productize your knowledge. Number 5. Use a hidden network finder to uncover partnerships and deals. Each one uses AI. Each one needs no coding. Each one opens a real path to serious income. And look, none of them are put your feet up and watch the money roll in. But they are scalable, repeatable, and built for this new digital era. I get it, skeptics exist. I used to think the same. Is AI just hype? Will I get left behind? But I realized the people who move ahead aren't the ones programming AI, they're the ones using it smartly, strategically, and purposefully. That's you. That's me. That's our tribe. Let me share a quick story. A few years ago, I was sitting on a metro train in Madrid, watching the lights blur by, thinking, if I don't make a move now, another year will pass and I'll still be in the same place. Same income. Same anxiety. I called a friend, Marco, from Milan, and we made a pact. We'd experiment with AI for 90 days. No fancy office, no big budget. Just 2 laptops, a cafe table, and one question: what can AI do for us? What can we build that people will pay for? Fast forward, we built an AI website product, got our first client in Berlin, reinvested, ran workshops, and replicated. The money was great, but the real win was the shift. From I hope something will happen to I will make something happen. And I want that for you. Because money is freedom's ticket. It's the option to say yes to opportunity, no to burnout, and maybe to travel. And AI gives that ticket a faster route. If you found value in this video, take a moment to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one, where I'll show you the exact tools to use, step by step. And drop a comment which of these 5 methods resonated most with you. I'll personally reply. Remember, you don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You just need to be the most willing to act. Because when you act consistently, momentum builds. Here's your takeaway. The road to €1 million isn't some hidden formula locked away behind smoke and mirrors. It's a set of smart choices, repeated with integrity, powered by tools you already have or can learn in a weekend and guided by a mindset of possibility. Picture yourself 2 years from now. Coffee on a Paris terrace, laptop open, notifications pinging, your AI systems working while you smile and enjoy the freedom you built. That's not fantasy. That's potential. Your potential. Go build. Go experiment. And know this, you deserve financial independence. You deserve to wake up excited, not anxious. You deserve the story you haven't yet written. Let's make it happen, together. Thank you for watching Finance with Sonia. Until next time, stay smart, stay bold, and keep bending the future in your favor.
This journey is built on strategy, consistency, and value. If my content helps you grow financially, there's a PayPal link in the description. It's not about the amount, it's the support that counts. Every bit fuels more value. Let's build wealth together.